All right, so I am going to show you how to add a highlight cover to your Instagram highlights. So you see we have all these highlights, the tip of the day, the Facebook tips, blog post highlight. I want to create a motivation highlight. We do a lot of content that is motivational content, and I would like to have a highlight just in case anyone wants to refer back and need some extra motivation that day. So we're going to click on the plus sign, new. I'm going to look back at our previous stories. So I'll show you the stories that I'm talking about. Mitch creates these a lot. So here's one of them. He creates them with his Bitmojis and just creates a bunch of these different graphics. So we're going to go through and find a couple of them to create a highlight. All right, so I've selected about 6 of them. And we are going to title this Motivation. And then right here, we're going to hit Edit Cover. We're going to hit this little picture icon right here. And I want this cover to be white. It is one of our colors for our brand, and it just fits with our feed. So I already created just a plain white cover photo. But if you want your cover photo to be, it could be literally anything you want it to be. So this is all of our tips of the day for this week. But if I wanted it to be one of these sunrises, I could click that as well. But I just want it to be white, so we're just going to click the white. Hit done again, hit add, and there you go, motivation. So I am going to also show you real quick, if you already have a cover and you want to change it, I will show you how to do that. I'm not going to change any of my covers, I'm just going to show you. But say we wanted to change the cover for tip of the day. We'll hit tip of the day, hit more, hit edit highlight, edit cover. And then you can choose whatever color or graphic or whatever it is that you decide you want as your cover. You can switch it right there, hit done again, and it would have been changed. So there you go. That is how you change your highlights cover on your Instagram stories. If you have any questions, let us know, and have a great day.